Okay, what we got here is a 7-tonner unit. It's not running, so no trouble. Start. Release the park brake. Forward. Reverse. Nothing. There's nothing at all. Right. So what I'm going to check now. This one has no sequence with the hydraulic, but maybe on this seat belt. So we need to look first the basic one from seat belt and to this forward and reverse solenoid and the fuses as well and the relay. So but yeah, I'm gonna look at this one first because most of this kind of diesel forklift no sequence on the hydraulic, but there is a sequence on the throttle if this is faulty. Alright, here's the update. When we check the seat belt yesterday, there's no connection, there's no continuity because this one has no connection. It's literally the wire was cut off, and I just I did not know that this one is already condemned. But anyway, so the one is already condemned. So when I check the supply here on this solenoid forward and reverse, it has a supply, so it means the electrical wiring in this one has working, and the only thing that doesn't work is this valve. So when I pressed this one yesterday, it's just stuck, but now we repair this one and now it's playing now. So let's try and have a test, see this one is running now. Right, hopefully this one runs because of that. Oh, okay. Still doesn't run. So we got the electrical confirmation now. Bulb body is working, but still doesn't what we call this, still doesn't run. So what I'm aiming to do now is this. See that inching? It looks like it's been out already. Maybe that's the cause of it. It looks like it's open already. And see, when I pushing this inching pedal or pressing this inching pedal, there is actually no response. So let's have a look on that one and see how it goes. So what I'm going to do now is just remove this pin here and see if this one is going back. That's the problem on this inching cable. Hopefully that's the only thing, because there are possible that this one goes to neutral because of that. Alright, hopefully this will rectify the problem already. I hope so. I hope so. Come on, come out. Come out there. There you go. See that one? Oh, it's getting more out now. See. Let's see if that one runs. Yeah. Hey, I'm right. So that's it. Alright, the unit is running now, so that's how we trouble the machine from electrical to mechanical. So that's it, it's moving now. Easy. So what I'm going to do now is replace this stuck up cable, because the cable causes of the one that this spool valve here is actually actuating or opening slightly here in your inching bulb. All right, so that's why the unit is not running, because it was literally neutral state. All right, so when I remove the pin and release this one, and now it's moving. All right, so that's it, all good.